Welcome back, guys. So we'll be doing a quick video today. So new sponsor of the channel is FridayParts.com. I reached out to them, asked them if they wanted to sponsor the channel, and they said sure. So they're sending me some products. This is some of the products. More are on the way. I somewhat already opened these. So they are basically a hitch pen, and what I like about them is they have a magnet at the top, so it holds that stinking little pen that you always lose. I don't have one of these damn pens that has this clip with it still. Always lose them. I got one for the Baldwins, and then we talked about 250 right behind the Baldwins. So there's a 250. So these Odysseys came from the factory without a hitch. They do make a hitch for these. Honda did. They're very expensive, like I think 300 bucks for a little piece of metal. I was going to build one, but I found one on FridayParts.com. I told them send me it and I'll put a review on it. And we're going to bolt it to it. And this could be a very big market for them, because if it works, this could be marketed as an F-250 hitch. So, which they would probably sell thousands of them real fast. So, once that's bolted onto here, once I drill holes and bolt it here, I'll be able to put a hitch pen. I can pull little trays around once I get 250 running. Hopefully I will soon. Have nothing but spark problems with it. Damn points, stator, pain in my ass. But N.R.T will get the job done, because if you ain't doing the job right, you ain't doing it at all. I'll put a link in the description to these hitch pens. Sorry, I forgot to put you guys back up. Only the best quality, only the best video quality, guys. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to these hitch pens and to FridayParts.com's website. Go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T sent you. Helps me out, helps them out. Everyone helps everyone out. This is N.R.T. That's FridayParts.com's hitch pens, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video.